How to know if you're shadow banned on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can know if you have been shadow banned on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, shadow ban usually refers to the term when a social media simply stops recommending your account to some other people even after you post tweets, comments, and it doesn't show anything of your account. So that is basically what shadow ban means. In order to confirm whether or not you've been shadow banned, I just recommend you do one thing. Open up your browser, then just go to the incognito tab, then go to Twitter search page, or you can just type in twitter.com here. Once you go to twitter.com, and then you can simply search for your search button over here. So just type in your username in this case, right? So I just recommend you go ahead and then type in your username over here in this case. So let me also go ahead and do that. Once you type in your username, if you can't find your tweets, replies, or profile account in the search results, you are most likely to have an active shadow ban, and that's where you can find out whether or not your account has been shadow banned. Just search for your username from an incognito tab, or maybe if you have a friend's account, just try to search for your name. If your account doesn't show up even after you tap the exact username, it most likely means that the account has been shadow banned. So hope this video was helpful to you guys to understand it. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.